Friendship is very essential for human beings. Studies claim that friendship helps people stay physically and mentally healthy, gain confidence, and reduce the risk of depression. My friends and I decided to meet up at my house to cook a delicious lamb dish and show you the whole cooking process at the same time. If you are not already subscribed to our channel, make sure you do so and don't forget to turn on the notification. Interesting and unusual videos about traveling to Central Asia and much more await you. And here we go. So, the dish we are going to make today is very similar to Kazan Kebab of lamb. That's because our dish is made up of the same ingredients that make up Kazan Kebab. The only difference from the Kazan Kebab would be the cooking technique and taste. The dish is quite simple and easy to prepare, yet very tasty. Ingredients needed: lamb 5 kilograms, potatoes 5 kilograms, onions 2 kilograms, water 2 liters, salt, spices. First of all, we washed all the vegetables under running water for our salad. An autumn salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, and onions would be the perfect combination for our dish. Meanwhile, one of my friends has begun cutting the lamb loin into portions. For this dish, it is best to buy the rib portion of the lamb with some fat and some flesh. The other two friends started peeling the potatoes. When choosing potatoes for this dish, choose a round and small one, so that they don't fall apart during the long braising. Now we start peeling the onions. We chose purple onions as such onions are considered the most useful among others and go well with other ingredients. The onions are to be cut in half rings. Presently, my friends who are late had arrived. I went out to meet them myself. According to Uzbek traditions, the greeting and farewell of guests take place on the threshold of the house or in the courtyard personally by the host, even if he is busy with something. It is unacceptable to send younger family members or children to greet guests or see them off when saying goodbye. This is disrespectful to the guests. Forms of greeting in Uzbekistan contain a wide spectrum: shaking hands, repeatedly kissing the cheek, embracing, bowing, patting the shoulder, pressing the right hand to the heart, etc. Each of these forms refers to a specific situation and relates to the degree of acquaintance. Now we have become a total of 8 people. Each one has started to actively participate in the cooking process, so we have no trouble peeling and preparing all the necessary ingredients for our dish. As you can see in the video, you have to salt the lamb well and put spices according to your preference. You can use zira and coriander seeds, dried basil, red hot pepper, etc. Pour about half a liter of vegetable oil into the cauldron. If necessary, you can add oil on top of the meat. Heat the oil well so that the potatoes and meat fry very crispy. Make sure that the potatoes and meat are well dried with a paper towel before frying so that the oil doesn't shoot. Peel some garlic cloves and grate them. This will add even more flavor to our dish. Start stirring the lamb in the cauldron with hot oil. One piece of meat at a time, not all at once. Stir fry on high heat until golden brown. You can check a piece of meat, take it out with a fork and cut it. The cut should be beige and the meat should be soft and juicy, already cooked. Take the ready meat out of the cauldron. Drain the water from the potatoes and gently throw them in the cauldron a few at a time. Preferably fry the potatoes in portions until nice and golden brown. Stir it once in a while and gently so that you expose each potato to oil and don't damage the fried crust. To the cooked potatoes, return the meat to the cauldron, reduce the heat and fry a little. Then put in the onions and let them stew together. If necessary, you can add water and spices. In the video you can see my friend crushing the zira seeds with his palms. This is done so that the flavor of the zira penetrates well into the pieces of lamb and potatoes. Stew all together for 40-50 minutes. Check the readiness by piercing the potatoes with a skewer. While our dish is stewing, let's make our salad. Salad is an integral part of every Uzbek dish. Slice the well-washed cucumbers into semicircular slices. Slice our autumn-ripe tomatoes in the same thin half-ring shape. Now cut the bell peppers as shown in the video. The bell peppers add a peculiar flavor to the salad. Following the bell peppers, slice our purple onion in half rings. Add a few slices of lemon to make the salad sour. Season with salt and pepper to taste and mix gently. Don't put any dressing on it. Cut the salted cucumbers, which we have stoked up for winter, into rings. Then finally chop the pickled cabbage and put it on the plate together with the pickles. At this point, our dish is almost cooked. The first thing to do is to take the potatoes out of the cauldron. Then put some flatbread in the cauldron so that it absorbs all the juice and aroma of the dish. Then put our lamb on the plates. Put the potatoes that you took out earlier on top. At the very end, we pour our dish with the sauce which was formed during cooking. The meat is very tender and fragrant. It separates from the bone and the potatoes just crumble. It is a very tasty dish. You can never have too much of it. If you liked our video, don't forget to like it and leave your comments. And if you haven't been to Uzbekistan, it is high time you booked a tour and enjoy the tastiest dishes of Uzbek cuisine. We promise you that your trip with Doka Tours will stay in your memory for the rest of your life. And we don't say goodbye to you, but see you in next episodes. All the best to you.